Hi, this is Karen from Midwest Remodeling, and I'm with.
This is Brad. Howdy, howdy.
We are here at the Burkett job in Broad Ripple, and Brad, tell us what is going on today.
Today we laid some floor decking and we're putting up the exterior walls. Okay, we're going to try and put them together as much as possible before we stand them up, and to reduce work from the outside on ladders. And we're going to try and get to trusses in the next day or two and get this thing covered up.
Always a goal to get things enclosed again as quickly as possible because the roof is off of this house. We have torn it half apart. So what's the schedule for the next, let's say, 3 weeks look like?
Well,
That's a big ask.
I know, right? 3 weeks. There's a lot of changes going to happen in 3 weeks.
What kind of changes will happen in the next 3 weeks?
We will have the walls up and the trusses on and the interior walls built. Black paper and roofing, exterior walls covered, windows in. At that point, we'll have the mechanicals come in. The electrician will come and do his thing, the AC guy, the plumber. And once we're all roughed in, we can do an inspection. And if we're to there in 3 weeks, we'll be in good shape.
So things are going to hustle along really quickly, and I'm going to be back here with Brad shortly and show you what else is going on. Can't wait to see you soon.